Hello everybody, I just got this today, my backup battery. It's a generic one. I don't have enough money to buy a genuine Panasonic battery, so I just got this from eBay. Paid 33 bucks plus tax, came out to like 36 bucks. Anyway, this is a Kastar brand. And for the bundle, it comes with a charger and battery itself. Let's start with the charger, and here's the pin number. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. It's hard for me to read too because it's dark already. Anyway, I'm gonna put a text somewhere over here. Yeah, I always rip that. I don't know why. So this is the charger. I believe it can power this via USB. Let's see. And I'm gonna test this on my camcorder too. Make sure it works. It's compatible. I'll let you know if it's compatible. There might be some issue with it. Okay, this is not USB, just a direct plug. So you just plug this to the wall. Alright. So, and now the battery. Again, the battery number is right here. I'm just gonna right here. So I'm just gonna put a text on the video. Easier to read. And this is huge. Look at this. This is the 85 8 I think. So this is equivalent to the 118, I believe. So it should the genuine one will last like 7 hours. So about 7 hours. This one should last 7 hours, but you know, some of the generic, they don't really last that long. So hopefully at least it will give me 4 hours. I'll be happy with it. Wow, it's big. There's the. So I'm gonna charge this. Actually, I'm gonna charge this with the other charger, the one that came with the Panasonic. I want to make sure that it works on that one too. If not, then I'll just use this one. Okay. Okay, it's sticking out that big. So I'll charge this now, and I'll continue this video after I charge this one and try it on the camera and to make sure that it works. I'll try this first, make sure it works. Then I'll unplug it and charge it with a brick charger that came with the Panasonic. So I don't know why that's green. Maybe it's already fully charged from the manufacturer, but it's already green. So let me see if there's a way to test this. Here's the battery, and if you click this one here, there's 2 bars. That's how you check for the battery life. See? 2 bars. So we'll check the charger. I'll plug this charger and let's see if it works. I don't get why the light there is green, because most of the, see, I thought it would turn red like my other charger. When it's plugged in with a battery, it turns red if it needs to be charged, but this one's turning green. So alright, so the reason it wasn't turning red, because the charger, even though you put it like that, it doesn't really lock. You have to make it like really tight. So you hear that that click, that really hard click. If you just put it like normal, like that, it doesn't do it. It doesn't charge. You gotta push it really hard, really tight. Right? It should turn red now, and it should start charging. Let me show you. Alright, so I plug it in, and now it's red. Earlier it was green because you have to really push the battery hard into the charger itself. You have to you have to force it in there. A little. If you just put it in and slide it in, it won't do it. The contact doesn't really it's not good, so you gotta push it in, and when you hear the click, then it connects, and now it's charging. Alright, so let me give you my update to this one after this one. So alright, I'm done testing this thing, this battery. It's supposed to be 885 amp hour, and for some reason the genuine one lasted about the same as this one. So this big thing compared to the one that came with the camcorder is about the same the amp hour rating is different. That one I think is 5,000. This is 8,000 something, and the genuine lasts about the same as this one. So don't believe the amp hour here. So, but it's only $30, so it's worth it. The rating with this number for the genuine one is like 300 something bucks. This is only for $30. So, and the genuine one, the lowest one, I'll put the numbers somewhere over here in the video. Anyway, that one, it costs like 149. Like I said, it's 30 bucks. 36 comes with a travel charger. So is it worth it? Yeah, because it's only $30. Then I don't know how long will this thing will last, but for now, in my opinion, it's worth the 30 bucks. It might not last the way the rating is, but still a good bargain. And say it's charged, fully charged. All right, so that's it. This is the Kastar AG-VBR89G. That's the battery number. I think that's the battery number for the Panasonic too. I don't know about the number for the Kastar. Probably the same. That's what it says on the box anyway. And for both bundles, the travel charger is total was $36, including tax. I think with taxes. I think, don't remember now. Anyway, yeah, it's worth the price that I paid for. Yeah, that's all I could say. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye bye.